Hello tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Plant Coding channel. In this video, we'll talk about a tremendous opportunity which came for 2024 batch. Yes, it is an off-campus hiring of a big tech giant which has a great stability, no zero firing rates and a good package too. And yes, I hope you have assumed the company name. The company name is Walmart. So without wasting time, let's see what all roles that Walmart is offering and what is the package and all stuffs we'll see here. And many of the stuffs that you want to ace this opportunity we'll discuss in this video. So without wasting time, let's see the particular opportunity. So now you can see a LinkedIn page where in India, software engineer 2, basically in Walmart, the fresher is also rated as software engineer 2, but the level, inside the level is very less, okay? If you join this Walmart, then basically your level will increase, but your profile would remain same. Yeah. So in this type of company, these types of rules are there. Okay. So a software engineer 2 is just for the beginner, for the fresher, and yeah, 10,000 employees are there, and you can see the opportunity, everything is listed here. What you will do through this role, you have an opportunity to develop. Now you might be thinking, I always applied, but I will never get a call back from a company if I apply from LinkedIn or Workday. Is it because if you click apply here, you will transfer to the Walmart page, which is a Workday email, and you need to register there. Yes. Now, through everything is there. Now, what you need to do is you need to copy this JD from here to here. Okay. Then create your resume as per the specific terminologies that they want. They want BTech keyword in your resume, please add it up because many of the people have written Bachelors of Technology. So please write a BTech instead of that. It might be this also Bachelor of Technology will work too. But many of the companies have a specific keyword where their ATS system is working. Okay. So 0 to 1 year of experience in data engineering or front-end development is just upon you. Yeah, whatever you have. If you are from data engineering or if you are worked in back-end technologies, you can apply here. Okay. Programming experience in Java, React.js, Node.js, or any other front-end technologies is acceptable here. Yeah, good understanding of data structures and algorithms and design patterns. Yes, guys, Walmart usually asks few design questions also, but don't worry, I am here to take you out from your big thinking of if I'm not able to crack this company, how I can prepare for it. Everything I will let you know. Stay calm. Okay. So basic understanding of code design and reviews and process and tools and understanding of basic finance-based business functions and financial reporting. So this line you can ignore it because this is not the tech stuff that you need to do. But code designs and review process tools are there. So try to put the keywords, whatever listed here in your resume, then definitely you will get a call back from them. But yeah, it would be better if you approach any of the people on LinkedIn and take their referral. Okay, it will work it has chance of 80 to 90% that you will get a OA link in which you need to solve 2 DSA or 3 DSA problems. Now, we are come on DSA problems. And what type of question we'll get in this exam? Yeah, these questions are around medium type of question of DSA of any topic they can ask, whether it would be array, DP, graph, string, whatever. Okay, so you need to write the code of the question that they ask to us. Is it? But in the interview, how you can do it or what types of OA question that they usually ask. So if you want that particular sheet, just 100 likes and 50 comments, I will upload the sheet of Walmart. Okay, I will upload the sheet of Walmart which was asked recently. The sheet will help you to crack OA as well as the online interview route. Yeah, and why I am claiming it? Because my friends are working in Walmart, and after talking to them, what types of questions they usually ask, we have already started creating a sheet. So yeah, please hit this goal. When you will hit this goal, we'll definitely get the Walmart sheet and apply. The application link would be in the description. You just head over to our description and check all the requirement that is required and fill your details in Workday email. Yeah, the sheet will be uploaded on 100 likes and 50 comments. And yes, you are ready to prepare for Walmart. No. After uploading sheet, what you need to do? Sheet will consist of all types of question in DSA, which usually Walmart asks because, and you will ask me from where you were creating. Guys, there are n number of websites such as GFG, such as Lead Code, such as Interview Bid, and many more. 360 Code Studio 360. There are many websites where the questions are listed. Now, why you are worrying to find each and every question on different website? I am here. My team will do hard work for you. You just need to head over to the like button and comment section. Just put that, achieve this goal, and mind my words, I will upload the DSA sheet just for you, for your preparation, so that you will prepare it. And if you are thinking what will be the package of this particular opportunity of SDE2 in Walmart, the package is 25 LPA to 30 LPA. Okay, because it is written that from 0 to 1 years of experience. So yeah, 25 if you are fresher, or 30 if you are senior, like having a 1 year of experience. But don't waste this opportunity. Try this. Don't underestimate yourself also, because I have seen many of the people have not having confidence on themselves. Yeah, how I can do it? Well, this is a product-based company. They will ask for DSA problem. Guys, if you prepare specific to the company for this particular opportunity, you will crack it. You will definitely crack it. You just need to have a motivation inside you to study day and night and see the results. See the result, guys, because sheet is available for you. Important topics are listed there. So why you are being worried how you can crack it? Is it all the road part would be given to you? So without wasting time, hit 100 likes and 50 comments, share with your friends, subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet, and I will meet you with a coding sheet if you have achieved this particular target.